If you've been watching YouTube videos that promise you'll make money online, but you still haven't made even your first dollar, then stop scrolling. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 beginner-friendly websites that can start putting money into your account as soon as today. No skills, no money, and no experience required. And I'm not just naming them. I'll show you step-by-step how to sign up, how to use them, and how to actually get paid. Let's dive in. Welcome to Wealth Focus USA, the channel that brings you real ways to make money online. If you're ready to turn your free time into income, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because what you'll learn here can literally change your bank balance. Let's start with an easy one, Swagbucks. If you've never heard of it, it's one of the most popular platforms for doing simple online tasks and getting paid for them. What can you do on Swagbucks? Answer surveys, watch videos, play games, search the web shop online through their portal. For every task, you earn points, called SBs, and you can redeem those for PayPal cash or gift cards. What I love? The minimum cash out is just $5 and payments are processed within a couple of days. If you're consistent, you can earn $5 to $15 per day, especially if you stack a few high-paying surveys. Here's exactly how to get started. Step 1. Go to swagbucks.com. Step 2. Click on Join Today and enter your email, password, and zippy code. Step 3. Confirm your email. They'll send a quick verification link. Step 4. Once you're in, click Answer to start with surveys. Step 5. Begin your first survey. You'll earn points called SB. Every 100 SB is about $1. You can cash out with just $5 worth of points through PayPal or gift cards. Next, a site that pays even more. Respondent.io. It connects you with real companies who want your honest opinions for research. Here's how it works. You sign up, fill out your profile, then apply to paid studies, what are called projects. If you qualify, you'll join a Zoom call or answer a few questions online. And then you get paid. Most studies pay between $20 and $100, and you'll get your money via PayPal within 1 to 2 days. It's that simple. Pro tip: the more detailed your profile, the more likely you are to qualify for high-paying interviews. This is a goldmine if you enjoy sharing your opinion and have a quiet space to talk. Here's how to sign up. Step 1. Go to respondent.io. Step 2. Click Get Started as a participant. Step 3. Sign up using Google, LinkedIn, or your email. Step 4. Fill out your profile, location, profession, income, education, interests. Step 5. Browse projects and apply to studies that match you. These are often quick Zoom calls paying $20 to $150 per session. Quick heads up. The last website I'll show you is the fastest paying on the list, and the bonus site I promised? Yeah, it pays you for just walking around. You don't want to miss that. Let's keep going. Now, let's talk about microworkers.com. This is a platform where you complete tiny online jobs and get paid immediately after approval. Jobs include things like liking videos, testing apps, categorizing photos, signing up for services. Simple data entry. Each task pays between 10 cents and $1. They're short, usually under a minute, and the more you do, the more you earn. If you stack 20 or 30 tasks a day, you could make $10 to $20 daily. You can cash out once you reach around $9, and they pay through PayPal, Skrill, and sometimes direct deposit. Perfect if you want short, simple tasks you can knock out fast. Let me show you step by step how to sign up. Step 1. Visit microworkers.com. Step 2. Click Register and fill out your info. Step 3. Confirm your email and log in. Step 4. Go to Jobs to see tasks available. Tasks pay 10 cents to $1, and many take under 2 minutes. Last but definitely not least, usertesting.com. This one's for people who love trying out new websites or apps and sharing their thoughts. Here's how it works. You sign up and take a sample test. Once approved, you'll start getting test invites. You record your screen while completing tasks, like finding a product on a website. You speak your thoughts out loud as you do it. You get paid, usually $10 for a 20-minute test, sometimes more to sign up. Follow these easy steps. Here's how it works. You sign up and take a sample test. Once approved, you'll start getting test invites. You record your screen while completing tasks, like finding a product on a website. You speak your thoughts out loud as you do it. You get paid, usually $10 for a 20-minute test, sometimes more. To earn your first dollar, pass the sample test, accept your first invite fast, speak clearly and follow instructions during the test. Payouts are sent via PayPal within 7 days, and often faster. That's a wrap. You just learned 5 websites that are beginner-friendly and can pay you real money starting today. Let's recap. Swag Bucks for quick surveys, Respondent for high-paying feedback, Micro Workers for micro tasks, Clickworker for flexible freelance gigs, User Testing for testing websites and apps. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these websites. Sign up today. Earn your first dollar. Bonus time. If you're thinking, I don't even want to sit at a computer, here's one for you. Sweatcoin. This app literally pays you for walking. How it works. Download the app on your phone. It tracks your steps daily. You earn Sweatcoin, a digital currency. You can redeem those for gift cards, PayPal Cash, or donations. It's passive. You don't even have to think about it. Just walk, earn, and cash out. This is Wealth Focus USA, helping you build smarter online income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell for more videos that help you earn more. Let's get that money.